Most field service businesses lose money in a place they rarely check: employee hours. If your team is working on multiple job sites, even small tracking mistakes can turn into serious profit leaks. And here's the truth no one tells you. If you are still using texts, paper sheets, or memory, you are almost certainly overpaying or underbilling. In this video, you'll learn how to track employee hours in the field in 2026 using simple systems, what tools actually work, and how contractors are eliminating time theft and guesswork without adding extra admin work. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clean, reliable time tracking system for your team. Let's start with the real problem. Imagine John runs a small landscaping company with 5 workers. At the end of the week, he asks everyone for their hours. One person forgets drive time. Another rounds up breaks. Someone else guesses the start time. It all looks small, but across a month, those errors add up to lost revenue. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best way to track employee hours in the field is not manual reporting. It's automated, job-based tracking tied to location and time. The simplest setup starts with mobile time tracking apps. Tools like Workyard, Clockshark, or Jobber let employees clock in and out directly from their phones. So when Alex, a technician, arrives at a job site, he taps one button, and the app records time automatically. But here's the problem most businesses run into. They stop at basic clock in and clock out. That is not enough for field work. You need job-level tracking. That means every hour is tied to a specific job, client, or location. This is where GPS verification becomes powerful. Instead of trusting manual entries, the system confirms that the employee was actually at the job site when they clocked in. So if someone tries to clock in from home, the system flags it instantly. Now, here's the next level. Smart scheduling integration. When you connect time tracking with job scheduling, everything becomes automatic. The system already knows where your team should be, so it matches hours to planned work without extra input. But here's where most contractors fail again. They overcomplicate setup. They try to use too many features at once, and the team stops using the app. The key is to start simple. One app, one rule. Clock in when you arrive, clock out when you leave. Always tied to a job. Once your team builds that habit, you can add GPS, reporting, and payroll integration later. That is how you avoid resistance and actually get clean data. The real goal is not just tracking hours. It is understanding where your labor time goes, so you can price jobs correctly and stop losing profit silently. If you fix field time tracking, you fix your margins without needing more jobs. If this helped, like the video, comment your industry, and subscribe for more practical systems that help contractors run smarter businesses.